Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and this is my second installation for Christmas 2022 of my reimagining of my mom's dishes she made for the holidays. Now, we know for Christmas, some of the food is exactly the same as it was for Thanksgiving, and that's the same in my household back then. So instead of making cranberry sauce, my mom had cranberry sauce from the can. She used ocean spray cranberry, but for me, I think it's easy to make, so here I am making it for you. I hope you enjoy.
Lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy.
I wanted to make a whole berry cranberry sauce. You can use my recipe, or when you buy your cranberries in the produce section, sometimes there's a recipe on the bag. Use mine or use that recipe. Your choice. Back to the video.
All the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to...
I wanted to add some of the orange pulp, so I added some of the mandarin orange sections in with my juice. If you're using an orange that has pulp, use that. Or better yet, use some frozen orange juice along with your fresh orange. Alright, back to the video.
And with joy and laughter, let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
If you're anything like me, you don't like the super tart cranberry sauce or the whole cranberries. So what I'm doing here is adding the extra sugar, and you can do the same. Remember, it's yours. You make it just the way you want to. Alright, back to the video.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas. Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time. Dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video, give me a like, that's a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me down below. And if you're not subscribed, why don't you consider subscribing? If you are subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell to be sure that your notifications are turned on and you'll be notified of any new uploads. Be sure to come back to see what I make next of my reimagining of my mom's Christmas dishes. Alright, as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And Happy New Year!